right here. Good. So it's going to be from inferior to superior, right there. Beautiful. Okay. We're going to come up that way there. Perfect. And on side. We're going to come in at C5. Beautiful. Right at that C2. Got it. Okay, so we had some issues of where there's sciatic symptoms left side, a little bit of kyphosis. So we're going to come in here and make some corrections right here. Good. And now we're going to bring it, you got to make sure to adjust up the facet joints here. So it's going to be from inferior to superior, right there. Beautiful. Excellent. And now we've got to bring this pelvis over this way. So lower lumbar line this side. And we're going to come right here, a little bit this way. We're going to come up that way there. Pull your back. I'm going to pull your hair this way so it doesn't get stuck. There we go. And it's a little crooked on that one side. We're going to come in at C5. Beautiful. One at that, right at that C2. Got it. That's moving really well. Perfect. Let's go ahead and sit up to the left. A little bit on that first rib. Let's go right here. Good. Push your head back into my thumb. Just push. Good. Good. So we freed this, adjusted really well in those areas where it was restricted. Good nerve supply down the shoulders, and especially that pelvis for that lower back sciatic symptoms. All right, power's on.
Thank you.
Okay, good job.